Hi all, welcome to today's session. In this session, we will be learning one of the simplest problem under limits, continuity and differentiability. Welcome to session 5 under engineering mathematics semester 1. Okay, before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get regular notification. Okay. If you have not watched the previous 4 sessions, get back to the playlist, watch those sessions so that you will have clarity about what we are learning and then come back to this session so that it will become simple. Let's not waste much time. Let's get started. So yes, prove that limit x square sine 1 by x as x tends to 0 equals 0. Very simple, very easy. Let's get started. Okay, solution. Now let's consider the left hand side. This is what is called the left hand side. Let's consider the left hand side. Okay, limit as x tends to 0, x square sine 1 by x. Apply the limits 0 square into sine 1 by 0. Don't bother about this portion, rather we will bother. 0 into any number is 0. Is it equal to our RHS? Yes, it is equal to our RHS. So very simple. Therefore, limit as x tends to 0, x square sine 1 by x is equal to 0. I don't think even more simpler problem you get in engineering mathematics. So hence we have proved it. Clear? Clear with us? Yes. So we'll learn how to simplify using LHS in order to get our RHS. In our next session, we will be taking few functions and checking the continuity of that function. Okay. So in that we have quite a number of tricky questions. We will use all of them. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll see you all in session number 6. Thank you. Have a nice day.